Hello and welcome to Every Dad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be making some slime. We're going to be making out of nice easy ingredients that you can get in most places. You can get them in Lidl's and Mr Price or any other hobbyist stores. There's nothing expensive or exotic or anything like that, so it's only 3 ingredients, so stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so the only ingredients you'll need are Formil. It's a washing detergent you can get out of Lidl. It's in a green bottle. You're also going to need some poster paint. Get whatever colour you'd like. You also need PVA glue. Just get a bottle of that. You can also add glitter or sequins if you'd like. So if you want those, pick those up too. That's all you're going to need. Okay, so the first thing you're going to add to the bowl is your PVA glue. Just put in 1 cup. The next thing you're going to add is your paint. You can add as much or as little paint as you want, depending on how dark or light you want your colour. The next thing you're going to add is the Formil. So in making this batch I used 15 milliliters, so you don't need that much of it. The best thing to do is add a little bit, mix it, add a little bit and keep adding little bits until it starts to come together. And once it comes together and comes away from the bowl, then you have enough in it. You pick it up then out of the bowl and work it. So you pull it and stretch it and squash it and just do that for a couple of minutes and it'll come together, and then it won't be sticky anymore, it won't stick to your hands. It'll be ready to play with then. So the only thing I need to say then is to keep it away from your hair and your clothes, because it'll get stuck in them. And also don't eat it or ingest it, because it wouldn't be good for you. It's got detergent in it. Other than that, just play with it and enjoy it. Okay, so as you can see, it's nice and simple to make. There's only 3 ingredients and they're all readily available. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.